Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best pizza peels for convenience, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the OUII Large Pizza Peel. We have a large pizza peel ideal for anyone who often racks up bigger pies at home. As with all the most effective paddles, you could use this aluminum and wood peel for a variety of other baked goods, too. Available in a broad spread of sizes to suit, this beefier peel measures up at 14 by 16 by 53 inches, giving you plenty of scope for dealing with large slices of pizza. The blade is made of aluminum, so you'll get a streamlined and non-stick tool for removing or loading your pizza. The handle is wooden and highly adjustable, so you can kiss goodbye to scorched fingers. If you can't create the environment you need, use a different handle for a totally flexible experience. All materials are food safe, so you have no niggling safety concerns when you're making your life easier in the kitchen. The handle also functions as a makeshift rolling pin, giving you one more reason to buy and even greater value for money. Moving on at number 9, we have the new Star Foodservice Wooden Pizza Peel. First up in our overall favorite in today's showcase of the best pizza peels comes from New Star Foodservice. What do you get for your money, then? This paddle is made from a lightweight balsa wood that's still robust enough to give you plenty of faithful service. You'll appreciate the silky smooth texture of this paddle, so you won't get any oils leaching from the wood into your slice of pie. One of the key benefits of this pizza peel is the fact it comes in an array of shapes and sizes. Get the right tool for your oven or pizza stone with a welter of choice in the New Star Foodservice stable. Perfect for much more than pizza, you'll streamline baking cookies, cakes, breads, and muffins. Imagination is your only limitation. This is a strong contender for the best pizza peel out there, and it's also pretty reasonably priced. At number 8, we have the OUII Pizza Peel. Pizza peels allow you to keep your fingers well clear of your scorching pizza oven, and this offering from OUII deserves a place on your shortlist. The first thing that strikes you is the impressive build quality and the caliber of the materials used. The peel's paddle is made from food-grade aluminum, so you have no niggling concerns about toxins leaching into your pizza. The handle is fashioned from pinewood, making a great visual contrast and staying cool in operation. Perhaps the primary benefit is the extendable handle. This is highly adjustable to a maximum of 25 inches. Once you're finished cooking pizza, you can remove the handle to save on storage space. The aluminum build means you won't be afflicted by the rusting that plagues many pizza peels. While most users agree that the blade slips under pizza bases with ease, many users complain about dough sticking to the peel. We would recommend using plenty of flour to mitigate this. When the handle is fully extended, you'll still easily accommodate a 14-inch pizza loaded with toppings on this peel. As long as you accept that some of the pizza base could stick to this peel if not properly prepared, you're getting a great pizza peel that will level up your pizza game at home. At number 7, we have the Chef Pomodoro Pizza Peel. This is a small 9-inch rotating peel, so you'll be able to maneuver your pizza with ease, even if you're operating in a scorching hot pizza oven. The blade is made from aluminum, lightweight and durable, while also capable of withstanding some pretty fierce temperatures. The blade has a tapered edge to make it easier for you to work with your pizzas. Contrasting with the blade is a wooden handle that affords you all the control you need when you're working with pizza dough or pre-made pizzas. This will stay cool to the touch, too, so you won't need to worry about scorching your fingers. That should never happen when you're using this peel. Aside from some reported issues with the threads on the handle, the majority of user reviews for this pizza peel are overwhelmingly positive. See what you think and let us know if you decide to treat yourself to this pizza paddle. At number 6, we have the Heritage Wooden Pizza Peel. As we near the midway point of our showcase of the best pizza peels, we have a great wooden example from Heritage. Made from an eye-catching acacia wood, this peel makes a striking statement on the kitchen counter as well as a powerful ally when you're making pizza. Shaped like a classic pizza board, you'll find you can easily scoop your pizza out of the oven, and you'll find it even easier to load it in. The tapered edge makes this easier to achieve. The lengthy handle gives you plenty of room for maneuver and keeps your fingers away from the danger zone. Perfectly designed for 12-inch pizzas, you'll get a pizza peel that won't crack or warp, and that should give you years of faithful service. All you need to do to keep it looking at its best is wash it with some warm soapy water and thoroughly air dry it. At number 5, we have the New Star Foodservice Pizza Peel. New Star Foodservice serves up another great pizza peel in the form of this rounded wooden model. Made from a hard-wearing basswood that's also reasonably lightweight and very easy to care for, this peel looks great on the kitchen counter as well. If the sizing of this peel doesn't work out for you, there are many other options available in this deep line. The texture of the blade is smooth, so you won't find any of the oils from the wood working their way into your food. As well as allowing you to handle your pizza like a pro, this paddle also works well for a great deal of other baked goods, from bread and bagels to cookies and muffins. Aside from a few complaints of the bulkiness and thickness of this paddle, most users seems pretty satisfied. To look after this pizza peel properly, it's advisable to stick with hand washing it using some warm soapy water. At number 4, we have the New Star Foodservice 50196 Aluminum Pizza Peel. New Star Foodservice has a deep bench of kitchen accessories to streamline your life. What can you expect from this pizza peel, then? Well, like all the best peels, this one features an aluminum blade partnered with a wooden handle. This allows you to keep your hands away from the heat, and you won't end up with burned fingers either. Designed with a slimmer blade than the wooden alternatives from this brand, you'll find you can slide the peel quickly and easily under even the thinnest of pizzas. The joining of the blade and handle is one of the most common weak points on pizza peels. This model features triple riveting to prevent any catastrophes in the kitchen when you're flipping pie. You can use this peel for much more than pizza, too. Work with all types of breads, including thick artisanal loaves, and handle muffins, cakes, or cupcakes like a pro. Since the blade is made of aluminum, you won't find the pizza toppings and tomato leaving stains, and you won't find food debris stuck all over the blade. Easy to use and just as easy to keep clean, this is one of the most effective pizza peels in a crowded market segment. At number 3, we have the Toscana Pizza Peel. Next in line is another highly effective wooden pizza peel, this time constructed from a much darker and sleek acacia wood. Luckily, it's not a case of form over function, though. The properties of this wood means it's long-lasting, and you won't get any oils leaching into your pizza slices. The handle is designed with comfort uppermost, while the tapering makes it easy to hold and manipulate. All you need to do to keep this pizza peel clean is wipe it down with a damp cloth and allow it to dry naturally. There is a hole in the handle which saves on storage space by allowing you to hang the peel up in the kitchen. Once you retrieve your pizza from the oven, you'll have plenty of room on this peel to chop your pizza up ready to serve. If you're still in any doubt, this peel comes backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you complete confidence at the point of purchase. At number 2, we have the Honeycomb Folding Pizza Peel. As we near the end of our search for the best pizza peel, we have an entry from Honeycomb in the shape of this folding peel, ideal for anyone with limited storage space. This is a large 14-inch peel, but it's remarkably easy to use considering the size. The handle is short enough to give you total control, but it's lengthy enough to keep your fingers away from the heat and to slide your pizza into the furthest reaches of your oven. The blade is made from aluminum like many competing models. You'll get no rust and a non-stick surface, ideal for sliding pizza or pizza dough in and out of the oven. The handle swivels for your ease of use and then folds down when you're done serving pizza to save you precious storage space. Even though a few disgruntled consumers claim this peel is not as large as it looks in the product listing, we feel you're unlikely to come away disappointed. And finally, at number 1, we have the Non-Stick Super Peel Pro Composite 14 inches wide. The Super Peel Pro has legion of satisfied fans, but is this the pizza peel for you? Unlike the aluminum peels dominating this vertical, Here you'll get a composite material along with a removable pastry belt made from cloth. These materials mean this peel is tougher to maintain and keep clean than some of the more traditional options we highlight today. On the plus side, you can confidently pop the peel in the dishwasher when you're done, so at least cleanup isn't too intensive. The removable pastry belt makes this peel even more effective than the competition for dealing with all kinds of pastries and baked goods. The sliding conveyor technology integrated makes this pizza peel one of the easiest to use, as well as one of the most effective. If you check out the video on the product listing, you'll see just how swiftly you can deal with all sorts of baked delights. Due to the build of this peel, you won't get any of the warping or burning associated with wooden peels, and you should get years of use from this thing. All we could find to knock this pizza peel were a few reports of shoddy experiences with customer service. Most user testimony praises the durability, efficiency, and ease of use. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.